Welcome to my YouTube channel AFK Educationist. Philosophies of Education, Part 2. Realism. Introduction. Realism is a philosophy of education that emphasizes the study of the real, physical, and objective world. It believes that reality exists independent of human mind, and knowledge is gained through observation and experience. Founder/philosopher. Aristotle, father of realism. John Locke. Francis Bacon. Comenius. Main concepts. Reality exists outside the mind. Knowledge comes through senses and experience. Scientific observation is important. Emphasis on facts and practical learning. Education should prepare students for real life. Aims of education. To develop scientific attitude. To prepare students for practical life. To gain factual knowledge. To understand the physical world. To develop reasoning and observation skills. Role of teacher. Teacher acts as a guide and facilitator. Teacher provides factual knowledge. Teacher encourages observation and experimentation. Teacher connects learning with real life. Role of student. Students learn through observation. Students actively explore the environment. Students participate in experiments. Students focus on understanding facts. Curriculum. Science subjects. Mathematics. Geography. Biology. Physics. Chemistry. Vocational subjects. Teaching methods. Observation method. Experimentation. Demonstration. Field trips. Practical work. Advantages. Practical and scientific approach. Develops critical thinking. Useful for real-life problems. Encourages experimentation. Disadvantages. Less focus on moral values. Neglects imagination and creativity. Overemphasis on facts. Can be materialistic. 3. Pragmatism. Introduction. Pragmatism is a modern philosophy of education that focuses on learning by doing. It believes that truth is not fixed. It changes according to experience and practical results. John Dewey, father of pragmatism. William James. Charles Peirce. Main concepts. Truth is changeable and practical. Learning by doing is essential. Education is life itself, not preparation for life. Problem solving is central. Experience is the basis of knowledge. Aims of education. To develop problem-solving ability. To prepare for social life. To develop creativity and innovation. To encourage democratic values. To learn through experience. Role of teacher. Teacher acts as a facilitator. Teacher creates learning situations. Teacher guides rather than dominates. Teacher encourages experimentation. Role of student. Students actively participate in learning. Students learn through experience. Students solve real-life problems. Students work in groups. Curriculum. Integrated curriculum. Social studies. Science. Projects. Activities-based subjects. Teaching methods. Project method. Problem-solving method. Activity-based learning. Group discussion. Experiential learning. Advantages. Develops practical skills. Encourages creativity. Student-centered learning. Prepares for real life. Disadvantages. Lack of structured knowledge. May ignore theoretical learning. Time-consuming method. Difficult to apply in large classes.